How to make sure you've got enough quality content during the coronavirus lockdown. Hello everyone, welcome back to the GoSort channel. My name's Chris and today I'm just going to do a short video about how to make sure that you've got quality content for the whole time we're in the lockdown for the coronavirus. So many people around the world are being seriously affected by this due to the fact there's so many lockdowns in certain places that people can't go outside, take new content, take new photos. But don't worry at all, there are many ways that you can keep your content at the top of its game while posting enough posts to make it frequent so all your followers stay engaged with your profile. So one of the main things is repost old content. Many of you in the past, you probably had your Instagram profiles for around about 5 years, 6 years, some of you. What you can do is go and take some of the content, the excellent content that you've had in the past, and repost it today. Some people also don't realize as well is that we've been doing a lot of research into new hashtags, and so also some of the old hashtags, for example, summer 2016, are still trending really high. So this is a great way to recycle your old content using some of the old hashtags, and you'll be surprised about how high you'll rank on these hashtags as well. So do a little bit of research into the old hashtags before using old content, find what's still trending, find a post from that era, and then post it on your profile. So another way to post quality content during quarantine is find trending posts that are already going really well. They may be videos, they may be photos, and repost them onto your profile. If you are posting trending content, you've got a lot higher chance of actually ranking on the explore page and the hashtags as well. So this is also a really good way if you don't have enough photos or videos to post at the time now. So another way to get quality content is live stream on your Instagram. You've got millions and millions of followers out there. So one thing you could do is do a live Q&A with your current followers. You could also connect with other influencers and do a live Q&A with the other influencers. One of the great things that you can do as well on Hangout is you could do a big group chat between many other influencers in your niche and then post it on either IGTV, cut it into little bits, and then post it onto your main profile. This will also give great information back to your followers, important information as well, and you might have the time to do it now when you wouldn't have the time normally. So this is also a very good way to give information back to your followers and provide great content to them. So another way could be daily blogs also. Depending on where you are in the world, we're situated in Barcelona, which is a complete lockdown right now, but also Italy's in lockdown. You could be doing a daily blog for your followers, letting them know how you are, what you're doing inside the house, what activities you're doing. For instance, so many people are going to be stuck in the house. This might be very interesting to them to find out what you do behind the scenes. Your followers know what you're doing, normally if you're posting outside, if you're an influencer, or if you're a business posting photos about the food, for example, but they might not know what happens behind the scenes. So this could be a great way, doing a daily blog every single day, just giving them a little bit of information about what you've been up to. Since you're going to have a lot more time on your hands in the coming weeks, months, it'll be a great idea to make more connections to other influencers or other companies in your niche, and you can share content. I'm sure that there's other people in your niche might have fantastic content that you can share on their profile, and also you can share their content on your profile as well. You'll make more synergies, more connections, so in the future it's going to be a lot more beneficial, and now is the great time to do it because you're going to have a lot more time to sit down and actually have a proper conversation with these influencers or whoever it may be. So as mentioned before, it's a great idea to repost some of your old content. But another thing that you could do as well is do a look back at 2019, look back at 2018 posts where you could make a collage, or you could do kind of maybe 4 or 5 photos, just looking at the best bits of 2019. And as mentioned before as well, make sure you get the right hashtags for that, because you could find yourself trending really well. A great way to find old content or recycle content or just find new content in general is go over your old photos that you've probably not had a look at in many years, and you'll be surprised about how many photos you'll have on your cloud or on your mobile that you never posted, and actually it's fantastic content that you can reproduce again. And it's zero effort really. All you need to do is scroll through your old photos, find the best ones, and then repost them, and there you go. You've got some great quality content. Another thing that I really see that clients don't use too well, and I normally say to use them in the stories as well, but you can use them on your post, is client images themselves. If you have got a company, or if you're an influencer and you've got a lot of fans, repost their content or do a little competition and have them sending their best posts. It also looks great on your profile because it looks like, and it also shows your followers that you're interested in them and you're not just interested in yourself. And I'm sure if you've got a gym, a restaurant, anything like that, your clients have got endless content that they can send you in and then you can post. Another very important thing as well is use the location wisely at the moment. You may know that a lot of places are in lockdown at the moment, and you may have been on holiday, for example, in Italy or in Spain. So why not use content there, use the location, because most of the people in these places at the moment are going to be at home due to the fact they can't go to work or can't go outside. So that one post, using the right hashtags and also using the right location, may get you a lot more views or likes than you've experienced in the past. But the most important thing, please take away from this, is be respectful with your post. We are in an uncertain time at the moment, and some people can, well, some of your posts can backfire if you post the wrong images. So please be respectful of the post that you do, but also have a great time of doing it. So anyway, that was just a very short video of how to get quality content during the Corona lockdown. If you have got any questions, please comment below or send us a message via GoSo website, and we'll be more than happy to help anyone out with any questions that they have. And also, as I said, it's a brilliant time at the moment to be posting more than ever. So if you haven't had a look at the GoSo services, get yourself online, find something that you want, give us a quick shout, and we'll get back to you and we'll give you the packages that are best suited for your profile. Thanks for now.